So we're riding the Washington Backcountry Discovery Route. It goes from Stevenson all the way up to Nighthawk at the Canadian border.
I've never done the Washington BDR before.
Really? This is your first time?
This is my first time.
You were in for a treat.
I know. I'm Amy Garrison. I have been riding motorcycles my entire life. Well, when I was about 4, I started, so a long time. My day-to-day life, I never really stop. I think one of the things that motorcycling has done is pulled me from that element of busy, 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 and pulled me out to just kind of take a moment and, you know, refresh. The moment my wheels leave the pavement and I hit the gravel, it's like smile. Smile on. And the smile doesn't leave until whenever.
I'm Tim. I'm on a Tiger 800 right now. I've been riding for about 10 years or so, but I've had all kinds of bikes. But I got into adventure riding after I moved to the Pacific Northwest, and it's like nothing else. For me, my day-to-days, you know, it's kind of mundane and not a whole lot happens throughout the week, and then the weekend comes and it's like turning the stereo up. Yeah. And it's party time. You know, you get on the bike, you go flying through the woods way faster than you should, just with a smile on your face the whole way. But it fulfills that same sort of spiritual, emotional need for me.
Yeah, we planned to go farther if we wanted to do more, but we picked the hottest weekend of the century. I might be exaggerating. But yeah, it's triple digits. How you doing?
That's it.
That's it? Your water's gone?
Done.
Good thing we're at a lake.
Got a really nice spot here.
I feel like I can do 30 more miles. How about you?
Sounds about right.
Already dead.
I know I smell better now.
Today, we're headed to Bethel Ridge.
Oh boy.
I've never been to before.
The views up there are stunning.
Yeah, it's up high. So it'll be cooler up there.
Fingers crossed.
I'm gonna stop in the shade because I don't want to be behind trucks.
They're gonna let us pass, I'm sure.
Thanks.
They should.
What happened? Is that Tim? That's Tim! What the fuck happened?
We were coming up pretty much the first part of section 2 here, coming up to Bethel Ridge. I think we're maybe only half a mile from the top. And there was a group of overlanders coming up the road ahead of us, and they waved us by. And so I passed them and ended up on the ground somehow.
He's okay. I rode by and saw him in the ditch, and yeah, not a fun feeling coming up to your friend whose bike is upside down and they're in the ditch. So I might cry. It's not a good.
You're gonna cry.
It's not good.
I'm the one who crashed.
My front brake line got tangled in my front wheel.
No brakes. Wow, yeah, no way.
Because my front fender broke.
Yikes.
Yeah.
can help get you out of here for sure, man.
I don't want to put you guys out, and you were just going right there, so if you want to go take some pictures, I mean,
we'll take a few pictures.
I need to make it anyway.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you need to
that's
calm
fine.
down. Like,
Thank you guys so much.
we got water, food, whatever.
Very nice gentlemen. Actually, the guys we just passed, they very generously offered to give us a ride, or give me a ride back to the bottom with my broken bike.
Do you have a ramp?
I don't.
All right. Well, we will figure something out.
I'm disappointed that this is the end of the trip for me. Disappointed that it ended in this way, but at least I'm okay. My pride doesn't hurt, which is weird. I guess I've broken that crashing so many times before. No, I'm good. I'm okay.
Safety kicker.
That ain't going anywhere.
Tim does not wreck very often. Like, he's such a solid rider. It's a bummer that our trip has come to a abrupt stop, but it's good that we're hauling a bike out and not a body out, so it's perspective, you know? This is the stuff that happens. You can't make this stuff up.
I think there's something about, you know, having an intense experience together that just makes people bond in a different way. You know, you'll always have that memory together. It's, I don't know, it's kind of hard to put into words, but there's just something about it. It's magic.